defending the impeachment that we did successively against the former Deputy Governor, Dr. Monda. Dr. Monda, through his surrogates and proxies, filed petitions in Machakos. The petitions were taken to Nairobi for directions by the principal judge, and the principal judge directed that the petition be mentioned before Justice Okwani today. So we were here to argue the various applications and to get directions on how to dispose of those matters. It has been directed that we deal with those matters on 16th in the afternoon. There are no the judge has declined to extend any interim orders. Some petitions have been withdrawn with notice of withdrawal being marked, and therefore we'll get further directions on Tuesday when this matter comes up. But the interpretation of our position is that there are no orders that stops any process from going on, be it the gazettement of the impeachment, be it the moving the Chief Justice to designate a judge to swear in the Deputy Governor-elect, so that Kisii County people can be substantively represented and be able to enjoy their sovereignty. That's all.
There was an issue which was raised about some friendly courts.
Yes.
This matter has been given to us by some friend.
No. We have all the confidence with this court. The court is a very fair court. Whatever transpired in court, whatever sentiments were aired in court, they were left there. But we must say that we have a lot of confidence with this court.